Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on MEXC exchange. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, make sure you have the app on your phone and your account is verified and is updated. Your account have to be verified for you to carry out transaction. In case it's not verified, you have to go and verify it right away. So what you have to do is for you to go over to the trade option. You can look at it at the down here, and over here at the upside you're going to see BTC/USDT. So let me go over here, and since you are about to buy Solana, so let me go over to the search area. You can go over to search it, and let me go over to search SOL, and you can look at it over here. They have SOL/USDT, SOL/USDC and others. So let me go over to the first option, which is SOL USDT. Since we are about to buy Solana, let me move it over to buy, and over here is showing market. In case you want to buy it at the market price, you just have to put the total amount of USDT you want, so of USDT you wish to buy the Solana, and you can go over to buy Solana. And in case you want to go over to limit, let me go over to limit, and yeah, you have to go over to the quantity of SOL, the quantity of SOL you want to buy. So let me just go over to type 2 SOL, and it's showing that Solana is the price of it, which is 449 USDT. And in case this is the amount you have and that is what you want to buy, you can put the amount you want to buy here, or you can go over to slide it in any option you want, and when you are done you can go over to buy Solana, and it will be done. And this is how you can be able to buy your Solana on MEXC exchange. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.